So over here you can see that I actually have this block right here, which is right in this page. But let's say I want to take the information of this block and convert it out into a page. In that case, you can click on the 6-dot button besides the block right here and then go to turn into, and then from over here you can simply choose page right here, just like this. Now this block actually gets converted into a page, as you can see right here, which is a sub page of this particular page right here. So this is what you have. So now I can simply go ahead right here, and let's say for example you can go around onto turn into, and right now it's page, as you can see. So I can change it out back into code and bring it up into another type of block as I like as well. So let's say for example I go for call out, and I can see that the page content now gets turned into call out, just like that. So that is how you can convert block into a separate page and then back into a block again inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.